Hello, Mama, and happy birthday. May God bless you. Thank you for everything for supporting us. Tu sodan samke inga sodan adar dila and sodan support kel duye. Tu tuge boare frena, tuge family sodun tu inge ilam chuda rapa. Thank you, Duka. May you always have whatever you wish to have in your life. May God always be next to you and bless you and protect you in every way that you deserve to be.
Happy birthday, Mama. God bless you. I know you're missing Dada today, but you know that wherever he is, his blessings are always on us. He's proud of you, and thank you for always keeping us in your prayers and always giving us that love and support. God bless you.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Hello, friends, and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. I hope you all are doing well by the grace of God. You might be wondering what we are doing here, sitting in the car at this time and making this vlog. The reason behind is because that this vlog is being done very secretly. Secretly, since Mama's birthday is coming. Yeah, so what we are, this is a pre-shoot of videos. That's like tomorrow is her birthday, and we're going to make this video today.
Yeah.
So what we have done is this video, she doesn't know about what's going to happen on a विचार आहे ते म्हणटाले आपणागे झाडांगे व्हिडिओ दाखया बाबा आपणागे बिस्ते फ्रेंडा दोग जाण दाखया
She
इसका
was saying on my birthday they put a vlog where you can show my plants
and
my
into friends आगे फोटो आणि आपल्या फॅमिली के फोटो दाखवतो मोठो दाखवया आपणा फॅमिली म्हणून so what I decided, like, we and Nadia, we said, like, okay, why not about we tell her, Nadia's family, to make a short video and send a birthday wishes to Mama, and then we put that, and when she sees, she'll get a surprise out of it. So ते काय होवन ना की जायना कोण विश केलं हो तू ट्रेजा माशान तुये डायरेक्ट मामा एक धाडला ट्रेजा माचाना केलं वा काय बट व्हेरी नाईस त्या काय ते खूप मामा काय होवन ना ते पामकोडे येलो हा पण ते जाय जाणांनी धाडलो हा लाईक ब्रदर्स अँड Nadia's side, dad's sister has sent, their children have sent. So
Betty,
many of them,
everyone
Betty have sent. Like a lot of you guys will see that.
The whole Kedgeton family have sent.
Yeah, the whole Cajitan family, Mendes family.
Father Kedgeton.
And what I'm saying is, the thing is, guys, so this vlog is going to be a secret vlog, and that's why we have come. Before we start with this vlog, I want to say a few things about Mama. So, Mama, as you all know, like I have said it before, so Mama, she's more into a lot of prayers and all. She always believes in prayers, and she's very, very devoted towards God, I would say. Like, very religious. Take mango is to the next level, like, konage koro. And take ko konage white lingu anyone if she feels bad as well, she doesn't have that thing in her mind, like, take oloto but what she'll say, she'll put in front of God, like, to give that person a wisdom to understand. ऐसो तेके पार पड़े ते तेसको कन्ना करना ते तेसको है ना देख but that is not a thing, but the thing is that is what it is important, like, what is more important in life. When a birthday comes, we always give gifts for people, we always do special things, but which is more than a value that you can make is the love and the respect. It can't be measured to anything, because Nadia's family, the way how they have treated your mom, like, for Maria, it's so. I the video bhi so itne magte feel that, like, I feel it like, okay, I'm very blessed to be a part of their family. As मोठा ने काजा झालमुटोस एक चोडवा दिसता. I should be very blessed to be into a family, to have it like that. But it is opposite side. I feel the blessed I'm into their family because I also get so much of love and blessings. और सांगपा गेल्यार, like, everyone ते म्हणटा न्ही तू केदो व्हडले गिफ्ट दी तेजो वालोर कळटा आमकां, पण जो मोग आनी जो आमकां रिस्पेक्ट मेळता पळय, that can't be measured. And that's what has happened. Every of her family, her friends have sent a message to her, and that shows how much, very touching, and that shows, you guys will see, that is so touching, and that shows how much value that person has in their life. The best thing I think, so Makesh, this are, like, the upbringing from the family, what has come up, it's very good, very, very valuable, and that's what make them attached to everyone. And mama also, then mag this sogala she ko ekta in dolya. Then they bashi mog dakhoila.
Her friends, like you all will see in the video, like the way they wished her and the emotions they have towards her is like
It's next
precious.
very is priceless. I would say very priceless. So guys, I hope you all will like this video, and definitely I know even you guys will send a lot of love and blessings and wishes to my Sasumai. Yeah. So thank you in advance for that. So watch this now.
Happy birthday, Nana. God bless you. Have a nice, wonderful birthday. I love you.
Hi, hello friends. Hello friends. And Kisha is here to wish. But Kisha ke dukan se. Oh, let me get baby. You know why? Kisha not feeling well. Thondi jala baby. Huh? But she's here to wish Nana. Happy birthday, Nana. Kor.
Happy birthday.
Day to you. Huh? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
At kata mo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Say.
Happy birthday to you.
Very happy birthday, mommy. God bless you. देवान तुझे जाए तो आशीर्वाद का लो.
Happy birthday, Mama. God bless you.
What you say? Happy birthday, Granny. Say. Clap your hands. Happy birthday, Granny. First. Happy birthday, Granny. Say.
Birthday.
Yeah. Give flying kiss. Give Granny. Very good. I love you. Say.
I love you.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Say Granny.
Very good.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Love you. Say.
I love you.
Give flying kiss. God bless you. Say.
So bad.
Bye bye. Say.
Bye.
Hello Maria Tia, we would like to dedicate to you a rendition from our family. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tia.
I wish you many happy returns of the day, Tia.
Happy birthday, Maria.
Hi Maria, wish you many happy returns of the day. God bless you and enjoy your day.
देवान तुका बरी बोलायकी दिव. Bye.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you, dear. Happy birthday to you. Peace to just all my soul. Peacefully coaching soul. Happy birthday, Mono. Grasso tanto sol. Maxo this to sol. Sol maxo this to sol. Aso quiero so that santo. Sol maxo this to sol.
Happy birthday.
The Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord lift up his countenance upon you and give you peace. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Auntie Maria, from all of us.
Happy birthday Maria, I hope you have a wonderful day today.
Happy birthday, Maria Auntie.
Have a wonderful day.
And we love you.
Happy birthday Maria Auntie, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Loads of love.
Happy birthday, Maria. God bless you. तुका शाल बरी जल्माची परब आवडेता. हाय.
Hello Maria Auntie, happy birthday. देवान तुका आपल्या मोगान आणि बेसावानी बोलू. Happy birthday Maria Auntie, may God bless you. I miss you and your black tea.
Happy birthday, Maria. We all miss you and we'll all love you. Cheers.
Happy birthday Maria Auntie from Pebble.
Happy birthday, Maria Auntie. May God bless you and give you good health.
Many happy returns of the day, Maria. And God bless you.
Maria, happy birthday. देवान तुका सदांच बरी भलायकी दिवची.
Happy birthday Maria Auntie. May God bless you with good health and happiness on a special occasion.
Many happy returns of the day, Maria Auntie.
Maria, happy birthday.
Hi, Maria. Many happy return of the day. Yashago. Bore Hanu. May God bless you today and always.
Happy birthday Maria.
Happy birthday, Maria. Have a blessed year and a wonderful, wonderful.
Happy birthday, Maria. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maria. Happy birthday to you. Hello, Maria. काळजान तन खुशी तुका देवान आनी एक जोलोम दीस फावो केल्ल्या पासून पयली स्वते दुनियान देवाक हांव दिनवार सालियार घालिता. तुजे इतले बरे फ्रेंड देवान म्हाका फावो केल्ल्या पासून तुका भांगाराक आनी मोतयां पासून सोर करूंक जायना. इतलें तूं प्रिशियस जावन आसा म्हज्या जिवितांत. हे वेळार दुनिया देवा लागीं हांव मागतां तुका बरी भलायकी, बरी सावूत, लांब मावूक देवान तुका दिवं आनी ह्या संवसारान तुका वोटांनी केळी खावूंक पासून देवान तुका ह्या संवसारान दवरूं. जरी आमी दोगांय चड पयस आसाव पूण आमच्या काळजांनी आमी एकदम लागीं आसाव. केरीत भाशेन आमच्या मागण्यांतल्यान हे वेळार आनी एक पावटी तुका हॅपी बर्थडे म्हणटा आनी गॉड ब्लेस यू डियर माय स्वीट हार्ट डार्लिंग. मारिया भयणी, हांव तुज्या पासो सदांच मागतां बरी भलायकी दी म्हण आनी बरी भलायकीन दवर म्हण. तशें हॅपी बर्थडे म्हणटा आनी गॉड ब्लेस यू. मारिया तुका जल्म दिसाची परवी देवान तुका जायत गुणान बोलला आनी देण्यानी बोलला आनी आमकां चड करून तुजो हालतीपणाचो आनीक दयाळपणाचो गुण एकदम बरो लागता कित्याक कोणूय दुयेंत ओपिडियंत आहा जाल्यार तूं खबरी वयता खबर घेत तेंची तेंकां कसोत मारता आनी तुका जाता तो आदार दिता देखून देवान तुजेर आनी तुज्या कुटुंबाचेर जायतो आशिर्वाद गायल्या पुरो म्हूण हांव मागता. हॅपी बर्थडे मारिया. हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू. हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू. हॅपी बर्थडे डियर मारिया. हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू.
It is a blessing to have you in our life. It's not easy to find a person like you, Mama. You have always kept us connected, loved, and showed us the right way. We all are blessed to have you in our life. It is very important to have a right person at the right time. You have sacrificed a lot for your family and your friends. You never thought about yourself, but you always gave out to everyone. And that's why you have been always blessed and your prayers have always been heard by God. We all know that you will always keep us supporting us and always love us as well. You have always kept us in prayers. You always have made your best to give out to everyone. I wish you a very happy birthday. May you have the best of your everything in life. God bless you, Mama.